So here at Second Chance Garage, we always like to have another project waiting in the wings. And this is our third Camaro under the tarp that hopefully come springtime we'll have all the other messes cleared up and we'll be able to pull this around front, start having fun with it. The original hood will be staying with the car. No Rally Sport hood, no SS hood. Nice, flat, straight hood. Again, going to keep it plain. Inside you'll see it does actually have power steering. That did come from the factory. We will retain that. Manual brakes, manual drum brakes, we will retain those as well. Father and son had bought it, decided they were going to restore it, tore it all the way down to nothing, and gave up on the project where a gentleman bought it. He brought it home, stored all the parts, decided he wasn't going to do it, listed it up for sale. No one would touch it because of the R title. Along comes Second Chance Garage, said, well, let's do a project with it. Picked it up, started buying parts for it. So we're going to do a quick overview. Hopefully you'll be excited and want to join us for rehabilitation of this unique car, to say the least. Not a very pretty looking car at the moment. There's definitely a lot of work that has to be done to it, but very, very salvageable. For a Northeast car, there has definitely been a lot worse, and a lot worse has been definitely restored. This car will have the shifter on the column. It'll be a 2-speed power glide transmission. It will have the factory Strato bench seat, which is a rare option. It'll have the fold down, which was designed by U-Haul for the 68 Camaro, and it will have the original 6-cylinder 250 engine in it. Other than that, it's going to be ugly. It's not going to be a trailer queen. Kragers are garbage. There's no polishing them. They'll just become future shop wheels for us for future projects. The firewall, subframe, fender wells are in amazingly good shape. The fenders and the inner fender wells came from Englishtown at an astonishing price. I bought them at the end of the show, and the guy just wanted to get rid of them. So that was a great steal for this car. It did come from the seller with new body bushing and body mounts, so that was another bonus. We do have front balances that'll replace the bent one. Our goal this year will be to see if we can find a better grille. The driver's side rocker panel, I set a multi-leaf for it. Rear tail pan may be salvageable, most likely not.